she is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey! Jody cooking, delicious cooking.
Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I've got another amazing, delicious recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some pot roast. Yes, this recipe is gonna be super delicious. You guys are gonna enjoy it. So guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it to someone that you know will also enjoy it. I thank you all so much in advance. Stay tuned for the video. So guys, I'm using beef, and this weighs 1 pint 468 kilos. So I have at least 6 cloves of garlic, 2 large carrots that I cut, as you can see, and I also finely chopped my garlic, 1 large onion I finely chopped, 2 small tomato, also have some red onion, and this is off, 1 stalk of my scallion, 2 to 3 tablespoons of my fresh thyme, and at least 1 tablespoon of my fresh ginger. These are my seasoning. Here I have 1 tablespoon of my black pepper, 1 to 2 teaspoons of my onion and salt seasoning, 1 tablespoon of my paprika, 1.5 tablespoon of my garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of cajun seasoning, 2 teaspoons of my all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna take a knife and just poke some hole. As you can see, you have some fat around it. Just like so. I'm firstly gonna add at least 1 tablespoon of my olive oil. I'm gonna blend all my seasoning. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just gonna add it just like so. I'm not gonna add all my seasoning. I'm gonna leave back some for my gravy, at least this amount. I'm gonna just rub that season on. Turn it over. I'm gonna add some seasoning on the other part. Guys, it's a good decent size. This is how big it is. So it is nicely seasoned. You can leave it to marinate for at least 30 minutes or so. Yeah, that's done. So now guys, I'm gonna sear my beef. So to my pan, I add at least 4 tablespoons of my olive oil. So I'm gonna sear it guys for at least 5 minutes on each side. So my oil and my pot is all heated up. So now I'm gonna add my beef, okay? I'm gonna flip it over. Nice and seared. So once it is nice and seared, I'm just gonna remove it.
Recipe. Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing delicious recipes from Jody Cooking. Delicious cooking.
So guys, in the same pan that I used to fry my beef, I'm gonna add at least 1 tablespoon of my butter. So now that my butter is all melted, I'm gonna add at least 1.5 tablespoons of my flour to 2 tablespoons Just gonna mix it for at least 30 seconds. So now I'm gonna add my onion. I'm also gonna add my garlic. We're just gonna mix it, guys, for another 30 seconds. My stove is on a low heat. I'm also gonna add my ginger. This right here, guys, it packed with so much flavor. I'm also gonna add my tomato, my red onion, some of my fresh thyme, also a little bit of my scallion. Just add some more of my carrot. I'm gonna add at least 10 cups of water from my kettle. You can also use chicken stock or beef stock. I'm gonna add some browning. This is what gonna give it a nice dark color. I'm gonna add at least 2 teaspoons. I'm also gonna add my remaining seasoning. Half teaspoon of my salt. Taste it to your liking. So guys, I'm just gonna allow it to come to a boil. Just half cover it. So guys, it has come to a boil. So now guys, I'm gonna add my beef. Just like so. I'm gonna add my remaining carrot. I'm gonna add a cube. You can add a beef cube. Guys, it looks so good already. With my scallion, my fresh thyme, potatoes, at least half of my potato that I cut. So guys, if you have a slow cooker, you can cook it on a slow cooker as well. I'm gonna cook it on a medium heat, okay? Try not to turn up your stove too high. I'm just gonna cover my pot and I'm just gonna allow it to cook. Maybe for at least 2 hours, okay? I will tell you guys exactly how many hours it takes. My pot roast beef been cooking over 2 hours. Let I remove the lid. It's looking absolutely delicious. Look at that gravy. It is not yet finished, because I want it to be nice and tender. What I'm gonna do, I have some beef stock. I add at least 2 cups. And guys, I'm gonna add some more ingredients, some more fresh herbs. So I'm gonna add some baby potato, just a few that I cut, a little bit of celery, sweet pepper red that I cut, some more garlic, some more of my carrot, half of onion, some fresh thyme, some rosemary, and scallion. Okay, just gonna add it all. These are just gonna add, you know, more flavor. This is gonna be the best pot roast you ever have. It's gonna be so good. I'm gonna leave it, guys, for at least 30 minutes and it should be done. 30 to 45 minutes, yes. Cover it up. So guys, my pot roast beef is all finished. Let I remove the lid. Oh my gosh, absolutely delicious. Good. It is cooked to perfection. It is nice and tender. See that? It falls apart. Look at that. So guys, I'm gonna make some mashed potato with it. So to my pot, I'm gonna add some water from my kettle. And I'm just gonna show you just a brief. I already have a video on my channel on how I make my mashed potato. Just add a bit of salt. Just stir it in. Cover it up or just half cover it. So guys, in my skillet, I add at least 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So my oil is now heated up because I'm gonna cook some asparagus with my pot roast beef. So I'm gonna add some garlic. Then I'm just gonna quickly add my asparagus. Just a pinch of salt, pinch of my black pepper. That's it. Toss it. The garlic is gonna give it such a nice flavor. And I also mash my potato. So to my pan, I add at least half cup of my mayonnaise. You can also add heavy cream, some salt, and some black pepper and garlic powder. I have a full video on my channel and how I make my mashed potato. You guys can go and check it out. I'm just gonna plate it up. So I'm adding my mashed potato first. Then I'm gonna add my asparagus. It looks so good. Can even add the garlic on top. And now I'm gonna add my pulled beef. Absolutely delicious. Don't forget to add all that gravy on top. Oh my gosh, this look absolutely delicious. So good. Just adding a few carrots. There you have it guys. This is how I make my pot roast beef. Please, if you tried, comment below and tell me what it's like. It's looking absolutely delicious. I'm telling you, you guys are gonna enjoy it. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Love you all.